How to integrate Slack with ClickUp. I am inside ClickUp right here, and we have to actually do it from within the ClickUp application. So I'm going to click on this quick actions menu, like I said, from inside ClickUp, and then you will see an option for the App Center here near the bottom. If we click on it, then here you will be able to see different applications. You can search for apps if you don't see it, but I'm just going to do it like so. If I type out Slack, then we will be able to see the application for Slack, and we have to click on manage here. So once we click on manage, then we can add to Slack, and we have to scroll down and click on allow. And now it will tell us that it has been added to our Slack. So if you have logged into Slack, then this will automatically add it to your projects. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.